Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. If you have a vehicle made by General Motors such as guys Chevy, Buick, GMC or even Cadillac guys, and you flooded your engine, let's say you flooded it, I'm talking about fuel flooding, not water flooding guys. We'll explain what is the procedure to deflood it, and most of them guys with the fuel injectors, with fuel injection system, that will apply to those guys, and it will be super easy procedure. We'll explain what you need to do. Quick introduction, we have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. This is guys because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys for all the work we do here at the shop. Now if you need any tools or parts for your car, check out the link guys. That's where we get all our parts from guys. Super quick shipping and very affordable price. Now, this is a fuel injected engine guys, by Chevy. So it doesn't matter if you have a 6, 4, 8 cylinder, procedure is the same guys. You can see fuel injection with the rail there. So how you deflood it? Now, some people will actually guys go ahead, okay, and remove the fuse or relay for fuel pump, okay, or for the fuel injectors. So this is something that I would probably do sometimes, but on most vehicles, new vehicles with fuel injectors guys, you don't even need to do that, and I'm going to explain why. If we get inside guys, okay, any fuel injected vehicle, it will work on any vehicle, not even just Chevy guys, GM vehicles. And what you're going to do guys, if you press the gas pedal all the way to the floor guys, and you turn the car, okay, at first it's going to stop the fuel supply, and that way it's going to deflood itself, and after that it will start. So let's go ahead and do that now. Listen now. You can see car didn't want to start. Now if I let go and I restart it, it will start no problem. It just stops the fuel supply guys when you press your gas pedal all the way, okay, before you actually start the car. Let's check again. I do that for about 3 seconds, 3 to 5 at the most, so I don't burn the starter, and then I try to restart it guys. If it cannot start, do it again. So you can see that's how we do it. Okay, let's try one more time, third time. So you can see it does it now guys. Let's try. That's if it's flooded more. I hold it second time and then I release the gas, start it again, and car fires right up. So that's how you guys deflooded engine that was flooded with fuel. Now if it's water flooded, water seized engine, procedure is absolutely different guys, and we have that on the channel as well. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment below. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.